Hello everyone. Welcome to this video. If you just click through and this is your first time of meeting me, my name is Samson Treasure. I'm the CEO of Amazing Deal Sense Among. Of course, the owner of VMob Academy. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can start your perfume business from the comfort of your home. So if this sounds like what you really are interested in, then sit still and let's dive into what you stand to gain when you start your perfume business. Okay, so as I was saying, perfume business is just an untapped business. It's very easy to start. You can start it on low budget, irrespective of who you are, irrespective of what you do. If you want to use it as a side hustle, it is very, very easy to do, as easy as ABC. So if you have been the type that you have been looking for how to start a business, but you don't know how to go about it, then I want to welcome you and I want to encourage you after watching this video to take the right step and then to start something new for yourself. As I was saying, perfume business is just, we have a lot of facts, to back it up. One of the facts about perfume business, as you can see from my screen, is that oil perfume, which is one of the perfumes you can go into, buying and reselling, is what people from different classes, people from different race, from different age group, they use it on a regular basis. Nobody wants to smell in an awful manner. Everybody wants to smell nice. So these are some of the common facts why starting a perfume business is the right business of the 21st century, and which you can do. Anybody can do this business. And another thing I want you to know about perfume business is that it is not difficult for you to start a perfume business. That I can assure you. It is not difficult at all. The question you want to ask yourself is, how do you start this business? How do you earn passive income regularly from home? In a bit, if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you, don't mind me, because of my screen, I'll be looking up, but I'm going to be showing you reasons why if you start this business, you can earn passively. Perhaps you've been thinking of how to add something to your income. This is the best side hustle that I have started, and I think anybody who desires to look for something to add to whatever you already have on ground, or if you want to go fully into it, is the best thing that you can do for yourself. So how do you start this? The first step one, is for you to do your research. I won't be here telling you that you should just dive into perfume business if you don't do your research. And that is the reason why you need to do your research. How do you do your research? You can go on the internet. You can get a mentor for yourself. And luckily for you, we have a training for people who want to have basic knowledge of what and what to know, what and what to have to start a perfume business. Perfume business, I mean, buying and reselling, buying from major suppliers all over the world. I don't mean, doing these perfumes by yourself, because if you want to do this, you can't really do it on a budget. You just have to go into it. To take your time, it will take effort, it will take waiting. So if you're here and you want to start making it by yourself, no, this video is not for you. This video is for those who want to start, who want to, leverage on buying from major suppliers, reselling at anywhere they find themselves, and making good profit legitimately from it. So the first step, like I said, do your research, learn from mentors, search the internet. The internet is open for everybody. All you want to do is search the internet. And when you search the internet, when you go online, go on YouTube like you're watching me now, gather your information. If you know you don't have that time, pay for our training. Click on the link in the description below. Learn more so that we can open you to the basics of what you need, to jumpstart or to kickstart this business. The next thing I wanted to know is that if you want to start your perfume business, you need raw materials. That is the truth. As you can see on my screen, we have a lot of raw materials that are ready, and they are always, sourced from reliable sources. So you want to get your raw materials, because you don't just want to go into any business blindly. You are not just going to be buying your oil. You're not going to be buying just the perfumes. What are the raw materials that you need? This, if you join our, training, the basic training that, I've created in that link below, you will learn more about some of the raw materials. On the screen already, I can show you some of the raw materials, that, we have. And some of these raw materials, I tell you, these are raw materials that, will help you, especially if you're the type that you're going into just perfume oils alone. You want to make sure that apart from your canisters, which most of the perfumes you will get, for you to get the original one, they are going to come in canisters. They come in 100 mLs, they come in 250 mLs, they come in 500 mLs, they come in 1000 ml, 1 kg. They come in, in different, sizes. So this is one of the raw materials. You can see the pipette there for me to use to measure. You can see your measuring cup. So we have a lot. If you want to know more, just join our training. It's not compulsory, but for those of you who would like to learn more, just join our training. And that is what I can say. So apart from that, another thing you need to do, apart from sourcing your raw materials, is that perfume business, it's something that for your step 3, I've told you step 1, do your research. Step 2, get your, your raw materials. Step 3, you want to package. We are in a world where it is the way you package yourself that people will perceive you, people will see you. So you want to package your business. In as much as it is a small business that you are starting, still package yourself. Give yourself a good, facelift. People tend to, get easily attracted and to stick to people who know how to package themselves. So packaging and repackaging your oils, your perfumes generally is very important. What are the things that you need for your packaging, for you to be able to present it to your customers, to your clients who come to you online? So your step 4, without wasting much of our time, what is the next step of what you need to do? You need to create a brand awareness. Brand awareness. You get me right. How do you do this? You want to make sure that you use social media platforms. You want to create awareness for the perfumes that you have bought, that you have branded. You want people to see it. It's very easy nowadays for you to create brand awareness for yourself. I'm sure that out of every 100 people you see, at least 8 out of 10 will be on Facebook. Facebook is a social media platform that you can create awareness about what you do. Don't be shy to let people know. Even you don't need to put your face to it. All you need to do is just, screenshot, snap it with your phone, upload the picture to your Facebook page, tell people this and this and this are what I have, patronize me, buy from me, they are good quality, convince them. And then friends and families who are already on, on your Facebook page, they will easily come and they will buy from you. And so for you to be able to do this, in our training, I dive more into how you can create, social media presence for yourself. So when you get it, I'm going to be teaching you how, to create a social media presence for yourself on Instagram, on YouTube like this. You can use your phone. Video, your product, upload it on the internet, and you will be amazed. You'll be amazed. But one thing I want to assure you is that when you come for the training, you're going to learn the different names of, the fragrances, top-notch fragrances that people going for in 2021. You don't want to get fragrances that nobody will buy from you. So get the training, join us for the training, and you'll be glad, especially if you're in Nigeria, join this training, you'll be glad that you did. Step 5, after you have packaged, you have repackaged yourself, what more? Sell your products, and from your products, make a lot of profits, rinse the process and repeat the process over and over again. It's as easy as ABC. So when I say starting a perfume business is as easy peasy, I mean it. So all you need to do is get your product again, brand it. After you've gotten your raw material, put it on the social media, sell, and you are good to go. So you see, it's the easiest business that anybody can do as a side hustle. So I'm sure that with this video, you've been able to learn few tricks, tips on how you can start even on a low budget. So for those of you watching me from Nigeria, Ghana, and all that, I want to encourage you, if you are yet to start, join our training. It's a very easy training, and it is very hugely discounted. It's just for you to know more about what you are going into. You want to know the names of female fragrances, names of male fragrances, unisex, body, different perfumes apart from perfume oils. What other things can you go into? How do you get them at hugely discounted prices that you can sell to other people that even are wholesalers and retailers and make a lot of, good returns as high as 100 to, 200% returns within a short period of time? Where do you sell aside from social media? Where do you sell your product? All this, you will learn more. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to let you be for now until we see in other videos. If you are new to my channel, if you love what you have just watched, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell. And then I'll see you on the other side. For now, stay out of trouble and start doing something for the remaining part of the year. Have fun. Bye for now.